Hi, I'm Tom Daccord of EdTechTeacher with some Google search tips for educators. Let's get started. The first Google search tips video, we can leverage Google Advanced Search to quickly find free and classroom tested resources. So in this example, as you can see over here, I'm searching for World War II. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the right and look for the settings icon, and you can see it here. I'm going to click on the settings icon, and then I'll go down to Advanced Search. So let's open up Advanced Search, and as you can see, we have World War II as our search terms. Down below, I'm going to use the .us site or domain. As I explained last time, many public schools use the .us domain, and since it's relegated to states, there are no commercial websites and no advertisements that you have to sift through. You can go straight to classroom resources. This point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to what's called file type. So on file type, I'm going to look at a particular format. There you see it, Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm going to click on PowerPoint. So it's going to search the .us domain, which has many public school districts, and it's going to search exclusively for PowerPoint. So I'm going to click here down below, and we'll do our advanced search. So as you can see by every result, there's a little PPT box. So all of these results have PPT on them. So you know they're a PowerPoint. When I go to open up one of these, and I'll point out, right, that these are K-12 districts. Here's one in Alabama, here's one in North Carolina. So as I click on this World War II link, what happens is, I'm prompted to download the PowerPoint. So you can download the PowerPoints, which means that you have control over them if you wish to edit them. So I'll do that download, and now I'll go to my PowerPoint. I'll open it up. I've downloaded this into my download section. I'm going to open it up, and there it is. So now I have a PowerPoint at my disposal, and if you own PowerPoint, then what you can do is you can delete any slides you don't want, you can rearrange them, and you can edit any of the slides to make it your own. I'm going to change the .us to .edu, which you can see down here. Now, .edu is used by many public and private school domains, so it's really useful. A drawback somewhat is that colleges and universities also use .edu, so the results sometimes are skewed towards college university students. But we're going to give it a go, and I'm going to click on the advanced search. Remember, we're still searching for PowerPoints. That's the file type that I have selected. So here we have various EDUs. Some of them appear to be universities. OSU appears to be a university. Others I'm not so sure. So what I would have to do, of course, is to check the level of reading involved here, see if it's appropriate for my students. But again, it's the same process. When I click on the link, I immediately can download the PowerPoint. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.